Today I'm going to take you on a tour of our one-bedroom Hickory. This apartment is 768 square feet, so let's go in and take a look. So you walk into the living space. As you can see, it's a really nice size. You've got an eat-in kitchen with upgraded light fixtures and a renovated kitchen with white cabinetry, granite style countertops, and black appliances. You've got a nice big bedroom, big enough to fit a king-size bed. Some good closet space as well. So we exit, there's a linen closet for more storage. And down the hall a little bit, you've got your bathroom. And then also an additional coat closet for more storage. If you have any questions about this apartment home or any of our others, you can go to our website at audubonparknashville.com.